In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder on Google Docs. Organizing your documents effectively can make a world of difference in productivity, especially when you're managing multiple files. So, let's dive into the straightforward process of setting up a folder in Google Docs. First, what you want to do is open any Google Doc. This can be a document that you're already working on or a new one you've just started. Either way, the important bit is to have a document open because that's where our folder creation journey begins. Once you have the document up and running, glance towards the top of the page where you'll find the document's title. Right next to this title, there is a trusty little icon that resembles a folder. Go ahead and click on that folder icon. This is your gateway to organizing your documents into folders directly from within a Google Doc, which is both a handy and efficient feature. After clicking on the folder icon, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, look for another icon, a small but significant one, that represents creating something new, a folder with a plus sign. This is the new folder icon. Clicking on this icon allows you to create your own custom folder within Google Drive, right from the comfort of your current document. Now here's the fun part, naming your new folder. This step is crucial because a clear and descriptive folder name can help you locate it quickly in the future. Type in a name that's easy to remember and relevant to the documents you plan to store in it. Once you've settled on a name, look for the check mark and click it to save your new folder. This step ensures that your folder is created and named as per your preference. With your folder now ready, you might be wondering how to move your current document into it. Well, that's the next and final step. In the same pop-up window where you named your folder, you'll find a blue button labeled Move Here. Simply click this button, and voila! Your Google Doc will be neatly placed into the newly created folder, instantly organized and easy to find in your Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully created a folder on Google Docs and moved your document into it. This simple process not only helps in keeping your digital workspace tidy, but also enhances your ability to manage files effectively, saving you time and effort in the long run. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.